Hello dear, this is day 14. I'm feeling a little bit sad for the dog. When I was reaching the farm, I came across I have seen an accident, not have seen, but yes, it has happened uh, just recently before I arrived. A vehicle has ran over the dog and its posterior part is both posterior legs, its spine, his spine, and the waist totally damaged, ruined by it. It ran over his spine, so he was not even able to stand and crying in strong agony and pain, and having in he is in difficult a lot of trouble, so he would have died on the spot. It would be better for him for rather than this painful life. So I'm feeling